Spleen is a soft, dark purple organ lying opposite to the 9th, 10th and 11th ribs in the left hypochondrium and epigastric region. Wedged between the diaphragm, so anterior to the ribs there is a diaphragm and the fundus of the stomach. So this is the spleen. The external feature of the spleen having two ends, anterior ends and the posterior ends. Anterior end is a broad, you can see here, and this is the anterior end is a broad and this is the posterior end is a rounded or narrow backwards and the broad forwards. So this is the anterior ends. And three border, that is a superior border having a notch. So this is the superior border, है ना, यहाँ उतना दिखा क्लियरली नहीं है ना. So there is a notch, this is the superior border of the spleen. Inferior border is rounded, so this is the inferior border is a rounded border. So this is inferior border, and the intermediate border is lying between the superior border and the inferior border in the visceral surface. So this border is known as a intermediate border of the spleen. So this is the intermediate border. And two surface, that is a diaphragmatic surface and the visceral surface. The diaphragmatic surface is a convex and smooth. So this is the diaphragmatic surface related to the diaphragm, and this is the visceral surface having concavity for the impression of related organ to the visceral surface of the spleen. So in the visceral surface of the spleen, the area between the superior border and intermediate border, so this is impression for the, this is concavity for the fundus of the stomach known as a gastric impression. Between the intermediate border and inferior border, there is a shallow depression for the left kidney. So this is the impression for the left kidney. And above to the intermediate area and lower part of the gastric area, there is a hilum of the spleen. In the hilum of the spleen, some structure are passing, that is a splenic artery is passing inside the spleen, and splenic vein is a drainage the blood from the spleen. So this is a structure passing or coming from the spleen, that is a hilum of the spleen. So anterior to the hilum of the spleen and between the anterior ends of the spleen, this area is the splenic flexure of colon, that is a splenic flexure of the colon, that is a splenic area. And now, colic area. Now the peritoneum. So this is the intraperitoneal organ. Whole of the spleen is covered by the peritoneum, and there is a fold between the two organs, that is a spleen and related organ, make a ligament. That is between the stomach and the spleen, there is a gastrosplenic ligament. In the gastrosplenic ligament, there is a short gastric artery, pancreatico lymph node, pancreatico-splenic lymph node, and the lymphatic vessels are present in the gastrosplenic ligament. Second is the linorenal ligament, an anterior surface of the kidney and the spleen. There is a linorenal ligament. In the linorenal ligament, there is a splenic artery and branches of the splenic artery and tributaries, that is a tributaries of splenic vein. Okay, so, and below to the hilum of the spleen, that is onto the intermediate area, intermediate border, there is a tail of pancreas is to the spleen. So this is the area for the tail of pancreas. So this is the visceral relation and the peritoneal relation of the spleen, and this is what you are seeing. This is the splenic artery. The splenic artery, the main blood supply by the splenic artery and the main blood supply from the splenic vein. So this is all about the spleen. Now the how to hold. In the last, how to hold the spleen in the anatomical position. So this is the spleen. This is the middle line of the body. So this posterior border running toward the midline of the body, and the anterior end is running away from the midline. Let me say the spleen like obliquely. There is a downward, forwards, and laterally. So this is the anatomical position of the spleen. You can hold in this way in your hand. That is the anterior border is along with the 9th ribs, inferior border along with the 11th ribs, and the intermediate border, that is along with the 10th rib. So it's the long axis of the spleen is lying along with the 10th ribs of the spleen. So this is the anatomical position of the spleen, that is the posterior border is a upward, backward and medially, and the posterior end, and the anterior end is a forward, downwards and medially. Okay, so this is all about the spleen. Thank you for watching.